Tennessee. Tennessee. Okay, Tennessee. 12% annual interest rate. Bid up premium. Now, it starts at $1,000, sells for, say, $5,000. Okay? What are you getting the 12% interest on? You said 5,000? So usually they will pay you the interest on the original amount. Okay? But every county is different how they work it in Tennessee for some reason. Really different. Okay? We're going to show you after lunch properties that we acquired in Tennessee, Shelby County, Memphis area. How we bought properties over there, and we just cleaned it up, put it back on the market, and sold it. Okay, so that's going to be in person or online, and Connecticut. Connecticut is what?